We will now demonstrate the ribbed rose stitch using 6 strands of floss, color number 8. First, establish a few baseline lines with straight stitch. Bring the needle through at the end of the baseline lines. Bring the needle down to the center position. Establish each reference line. After the first reference line is established, bring the needle through near the center point. Then, pass through the 2 baseline stitches. This step is somewhat similar to the method of backstitch. After wrapping around 2 strands of floss, we skip 1 baseline. Continue to pass through 2 baseline strands above. Then repeat this method. When wrapping the floss, try to keep it close to the center point. This is the effect after completing 1 round. We continue to wrap around the center point. Now it has the effect of 2 wraps. After wrapping, no lines are visible. This is about done. The last stitch. We can bring the needle down in place to couch.